To the show. All right, it's time for you to pack for your summer vacation, but you want to do it in style. We've got you covered.
That's right. Our friend Lindsay Rose Rando, founder of Bobbles Lace, is here with the perfect looks for some fun in the sun, but it will also last you throughout the year. So we love this, Lindsay. Thanks for being here.
Oh my gosh, thank you for having me to talk about my favorite thing, which is obviously fashion.
Yes. Well, okay, first and foremost, if you're planning your vacation, what are your must-haves in the suitcase?
Okay, well, you definitely need to have some swimwear. Let's be real.
Yeah.
But I think it's important to have pieces to mix into your swimwear, along with the scarf and accessories. I love to pile on the accessories, especially with the swimwear.
And accessories make everything fun. But what are some of your tricks and tips when it comes to picking things out that can be versatile for vacation, but maybe even when you go back to work as well?
Yeah, I mean, I think there's nothing worse than getting one and done item that you're only gonna wear once.
Right.
Yeah.
So I really like to invest into pieces that can give me a lot of longevity and a lot of versatility in my wardrobe to take it from the beach and beyond.
What do you look for specifically when you're shopping?
I'm gonna show you.
Yes, I was like,
I'm gonna show you today.
Let's start with Sam. You're rocking the scarf, the accessory. Lindsay, you've really put it all into one look here.
Yeah. So we started with a plain white swimsuit. A lot of us have a plain solid swimwear bikini in their closet already. But here are some ways that you can add some pizzazz and your personal touch. So we added a white jean. And I'm not afraid to do a jean for beachwear.
Yeah.
Cuff it up, especially in white, added the wedge, and then we tied a scarf along as almost as a belt, and we left it long triangularly. We added a brooch to the swim in the center, added a little flare.
Oh, it didn't come like that.
It didn't come like that. We just pinned it right on, baby. And then we added some silver bracelets. I love to add accessories to swimwear. I think a lot of people forget that you can still be fashionable.
Yeah.
And I'm loving these shoes, by the way.
Oh, yeah. I love a wedge.
So you're using these same accessories, a scarf and the brooch for this next look. Sam, thank you so much. And this next one is a little... It's still vacay look, but you can wear this anywhere.
Exactly. So here's Alexa. We took the same scarf tied around Sam's waist, and we actually made it into a top. So if you fold it so it turns into a triangle, tie it onto a thick necklace, and then tie it in the back, you now have made yourself a shirt.
Look at that.
So simple.
Yeah, and then we added another brooch to kind of hide the knot there, and then added this skirt that, would be great for the office as well, for a skirt like this.
Yeah.
It's a little more professional, but we made it a lot more fun here, and we repurposed the same pieces that we had in the swim look.
I like the
she has
texture.
And there's a nice tote, a little bag here, but if you're going to the beach, you could probably switch out for a tote.
Yeah.
Throw your stuff in there, so it makes it really easy.
Yeah, the accessories are really dictating where it is that she's going anyways.
Yeah. Love it.
And your next two outfits,
look. Thank you.
Similar theme of overlapping parts of the outfit.
Yeah, versatility, beach and beyond. So we have here just a black swim, and then these are actually a linen trouser. I'm going to show you the next look after this. That's part of a set. So don't be afraid to take even a suit style pant, because especially if it's flowy, some trousers, and chuck it on right over your bikini. And then we added a scarf tied to the head. Again, you have to have some scarves in your wardrobe, especially this summer. Added some sunnies and piled on the bangles. It's very resort. It's really fun and really easy to achieve.
Yeah.
I'm here for this
I love
look.
it. I love it. All right, this final one. Thank you so much.
So here's Naomi in the same pants with the matching set. So now here's the same beach style pants, but we can wear this. It's completely office or professional appropriate or a date night. I think this is a really great color. And then we use the same scarf tied to Michaela's head now on Naomi's bag. So we're seeing a lot of bag accessories right now, charms, scarves tied onto your purse. People are accessorizing their accessories.
Everywhere.
Yeah, those are crazy.
Right.
Well, and it's such a great way to use a piece and make it look different from day to night, or even just like if you don't want to bring 17 bags on a trip. Bring one bag, all the accessories.
One bag, change it up. Yep.
Biggest takeaway, everyone needs some scarves. Let's have the models come back in before we wrap.
Lindsay, where can people find more tips like this and style ideas from you?
Yeah, well, we have stores across the country, so you can find us at bobblesandlace.com as well, and have fun with your summer fashion.
Amazing. Yay. Lindsay, ladies, thank you guys so much for being here.
And thank you all for being here. Thanks for joining us here on The Hub today. We'll be back tomorrow.